Real or fake? That is the topic of today. DuPonts. DuPonts or DuPonts. So this lighter right here was a gift given to me by Master Your Ash. It's a beautiful, beautiful lighter. Great ping. This right here I recently got in the mail. A company reached out to me and asked me to review their lighters. Actually, they have many different types of lighters on their website, but the most interesting, obviously, is something like this. It's a beautiful lighter. I picked this one because it reminded me of something you'd see in John Wick. Absolutely beautiful lighter. Solid ping. Lights on a dime. It has very nice heft. Very nice weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels solid construction. It actually feels a little heavier than the gold one there. And quite frankly, it's a beautiful lighter. I mean, there's no denying it. This thing is absolutely fantastic. I really, really enjoy it. I really, really like it. I'd light a cigar on camera for you, but you know, YouTube doesn't allow us to do that anymore. So look at that. Every single time. Just wonderful ping. Great solid construction. I really, really enjoy this thing. I think it's going to look absolutely beautiful in photos, on camera. Yeah. It fills, and it fills just the same as any other lighter. You don't have to have any type of special tip or anything like that to get the fuel inside. Thanks so much to Sherry007 for sending me this lighter to check out. It's beautiful, very solid, great quality. Like this video. Peace.
Let the good times flow, let the conversation grow. Pick Jimmy's got the hottest takes to show. From the lounge to the mic, we talk it all. Big cigars, high stakes, we standing tall.